Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Yeyian AKIL 3500 wireless RGB gaming keyboard. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Yeyian AKIL 3500 wireless TKL 65% gaming keyboard. Alright, it's pretty compact. Let's take a look inside the box. All right, wow, look at the keyboard, it's tiny. All right, let's see what else is inside the box. We have some warranty information, user manual, okay, and what else? A USB-C to A braided cable, very nice, and a keycap remover. Okay, let's take a look at the keyboard in more detail. All right, here we have the keyboard. As you can see, it's very compact in size. It's around about 65% of the original full-length keyboard, and as you can see, the function keys on the top here is missing. So you need to access that by holding one of the function keys to access here all the other functions here. And yeah, it's very nice, compact, lightweight as well. Top here you see the USB-C connector. You can plug that in straight to the computer or laptop, and of course you could use it as a wired keyboard, or you can go Bluetooth. There's a little Bluetooth switch here. We got some keyboard stand here. You could just flip that up to give you that angle. And yes, red switches. So let me just show you. Just get the keycap remover and you just put that in there, locks it in place, and you just pull it out. And you can see the red switch in there. Okay. The other thing I like about this is that it's got the RGB in there. So let me just put the Bluetooth on, and of course when you plug it into the USB you also get the RGB colors. Now it doesn't sync with any of the motherboard RGB ecosystems, but you can actually control the RGB colors using the instructions, which you can download from the Yeyian website, or look at the manual instruction leaflet. Very compact, nice RGB colors, and it's perfect for anyone lacking in that desk space. Okay, that was a quick unboxing of the Yeyian AKIL 3500 wireless TKL gaming keyboard. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.